Hello everyone, it's me once again. This is JHOPAY'S Adventure and welcome back to my brand new video. Okay, as you can see, I am wearing a chef uniform, a chef outfit, and today I will be doing the request of my friend here in Milan to do a special mukbang for her. So as a content creator, we have to do it for the sake of our viewers. Okay, so everything is set, so I'll just pick it up, the menu, and then put it here on the table. So as you can see, it's still smoky. So I'm sure you're familiar with the shells, yung taho, as we call it in the Philippines. And it's very rare for us here in Italy to find this one. Yesterday I was in the supermarket and I find some packet of it on the shelves. And it costs 3.50 euro per pack. So I got 2 kilos because it's been a long time that I did not eat Tahong. I'll be doing the request of my friend Ruby. Okay. She requested me even to wear some makeup. As you can see, I don't know if I look okay. And to wear something or to wear an outfit. So this is what I choose. Okay, so I'll be savagely eating this 2 kilos of Tahong. I have here with me the red wine as well. Ching ching! It should be a white wine because I'm eating seafood. Red wine is for me. And then of course, I have a coffee as well. Coffee. Okay? Magmamana-social tayo. I am not fluent in English, okay? So I'm just trying my best to speak in English as much as I can so that all the foreign channels that are watching my videos will be able to understand also the content. Okay? Okay, so I just put here the kaldero para paglagyan ko ng mga shells. Okay? So magkakamay lang po ako. Walang kaarte-arte. So let's just see kung I'll be able to eat all these 2 kilos of shells. If you remember, Ruby, siya yung minsan gumawa ako ng content kung nag-i-snow, siya yung nag-photograph sa akin. Whenever I have a new video, I usually send the video link to her WhatsApp. So, doon siya nanonood. And then yesterday, I was trying to convince her to come to the house and stay here and we will do the mukbang together, but she doesn't want because it takes time for us to travel. It takes like 45 minutes from their house coming to our house. So she said I will just do it by myself. By the way, how was your Valentine? I hope everyone is enjoying. Okay, it's just a normal day, every Valentine's Day. Wala, ganun talaga. We're loveless. I think mas maganda kukuha ako ng kanin para ano. And then later on, gusto ko magkamay ng kumain. Kasi since din naman na pika-pika, so kami na lang tayo para mas masarap. After my makeup shooting, tinuloy-tuloy ko na lang gumawa ng ng mukbang. Para it's just one, one effort. And I just want to take this opportunity to say thank you to all the people who always come and visit my channel and any of my videos. Okay. Don't you worry, as long as you leave any comments from any of my videos, expect that I'm going to reply all messages or comments. Parang kung mama no, dun sa makeup ko. I don't know if some of you had watched my previous videos. So gumawa ako dun ng content about sa Valentine's makeup. So as a tribute to Valentine's Day. If you haven't watched the video yet, please consider getting back to my other videos, going back to my other videos and see that content about Valentine's makeup. Oh my gosh. Ang tiyan. Mukhang kayang-kaya kong kainin lahat to. Now I'll be doing mukbang kasi as of the moment I don't have time to travel within the Italy and because of the schedule of my work, so I don't have an off on the weekend. I've done doing a 3 segment for the makeup session and now I'm doing the mukbang, so eventually you will see another video doing a mukbang. So at least 3 videos for the mukbang. And then next one I'll be doing an unboxing. So hopefully by March I'll be able to do some travel content. Cross fingers. Oh my god. Naubos ko na. Paubos na. So ang matitira na lang sabaw. Which is hindi ko naman pwedeng higupin kasi this is 2 kilos. Hindi na nga ako nagkanin kasi mas lalo akong madaling mabusog if meron akong kanin and baka hindi ko maubos yung ulam. So, focus lang tayo sa ulam, less kanin para mas okay. Sabihin, ano nangyari sa mata niya? Ba't ang pula-pula? Ang tindi ng tiyan ko ah. So ayun. May lumalangin pa. Well, I really miss Tahong. Pasensya na po. Ang sarap magkamay. Cheers for this. Kantukin ako mamaya sa trabaho. So that's it. Tapos na tayo within like 10 minutes. Tapos ang 2 kilong taco. Kay Ruby, I hope you were satisfied, you were happy with my content for today. This is your special request. To all my friends who are watching my videos, thank you so much. Thank you for dropping by, and please continue to support any of my videos. Don't forget to leave a comment so that I can get back to you. I'm reading all the comments and I am replying all channels that are visiting my channel. Abangan ang aking susunod na mukbang. This is the next mukbang that I'll be doing for tomorrow. Once again, this is JHOPAY'S Adventure, and thank you for watching my video. I'll see you on my next vlog.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.